Hi guys, hope you are doing well and having good time. We are back again with another video, and this time we are going to talk about a very important topic. Especially if you are a new immigrant to Canada, make sure you watch this video till very end. Now Gagan is going to tell you what we are going to talk about today.
So the topic of today is how to file taxes when you are a newcomer in Canada.
So guys, right now we are taking a reference of the people who have come here to Canada for the very first time, and they are struggling or they have questions in their mind how to file the tax when they land here, because it's the first time you have landed in a new country and things are very new for you, especially the rules, regulations, and for all the questions which are in your mind in regards to income tax, we are going to answer each and every one of them.
Okay, so first of all, what is the financial year in Canada? So the financial year in Canada is from January to December. So as we are from India, there the financial year used to be April to March 31st.
And guys, now the second thing comes, like, what is the deadline, the usual deadline to file the tax? It starts from February and the last date is usually till April 30th. So this year, April 30th was a deadline because we landed here in the month of September. And for us, the last date to submit the tax was April 30th, 2019.
So with who you have to file the taxes? You have to file the taxes with CRA, that is Canada Revenue Agency.
And guys, its name was CCRA, Canada Customs and Revenue Agency, and it got changed in 2003. This is just so that people don't get confused with CCRA or CRA, but right now it's just CRA.
Basically for individuals is the T1, for the corporates is T2, and for the trusts it is T3.
And guys, in regards to more information on income tax, you can visit their official website, which is cra.gc.ca. For any queries or any questions you have, make sure you visit this website.
Okay, so guys, how income is considered in Canada? I'll give you an example that when I was in India, so in India, I was filing my individual tax. There was no concern with my spouse's income. However, in Canada, you have to file taxes as a family. So my income will be clubbed with Gundeep's income, and then in one single form we will be filing the taxes.
And it will be a term called family income.
Absolutely.
So here in Canada, the income tax is filed as per regards of your family income. It's not individual, because we are taking a reference of India, that is our home country, and India, it used to be the individual incomes which are considered, but here it is the family income.
Yes, and if you are a newcomer to Canada, then that will be only the first year of your landing when you will be considered as a new immigrant. After that, you will be a regular tax filer.
Now, why Gagan mentioned about it is because government give you certain facilities to help you to file the tax when it's your first year in Canada. And there are some tax clinics which help you to file the tax without any problem. There are volunteers and they are available all around Canada which are going to help you to file taxes. Right now, I'll take you guys to my laptop screen to show you if you are eligible to avail the services of tax clinic, and you file in the criteria which is mentioned on the website. Once you see that you are eligible to take the facilities of tax clinic, you can search the nearest tax clinic near to your home or wherever your office is, and you can go register to them and make an appointment so that they can help you to file your tax here for the very first year you have landed here in Canada.
Hey guys, here I have opened the official website from Canada Revenue Agency, which you can see on my screen here. It says free tax cleaning where people is going to help people. This is just the volunteer service and a great initiative by Government of Canada. You can see that if you are eligible for help at free tax cleaning, let me take you to this link below so that we can discuss if you are eligible for the help or not. Now, number one thing, as we mentioned in our video, that it is only valid for the new immigrants, and this is only for the first year. So if I click on the link here, it takes me to get your tax return done at a free tax clinic. Now, what is a free tax clinic? Free tax clinic is a place where eligible people can go to get their tax returns done for free of cost. These are hosted by the community organizations across Canada. Now there you can go and avail this service by walk-in, by appointment, drop off and pick up. You can check out these details, but I will strongly recommend to make an appointment before going. Now, if you want to know if you are eligible to get help or not, now there are two conditions. One, that you should have a modest income, and second, it's simple tax situation. Now, usually here the accountants charge about 35 to $40 for the simple tax situations. They take $35 from you and they help you to file the return. But if you have a modest income and you have a simple tax situation, you can go ahead and avail services from these free tax clinics. Now you should have a modest income, and it says that family size for a person one, two, three, and on the right side you can see here is the total family income. If you are a two persons family, you and your spouse, and you have a total income of about $45,000, then you fall into this category. And second is the simple tax situation. Like, what it directly means is that your tax situation is pretty much straightforward. You are either an employee, you are on a pension, or stuff like that. You're a student for scholarships, and nothing complicated like you have a property, you have a business. If you have a business here, then you definitely need an accountant who can manage your all the purchases, all the profit you have, all the bills. So for that, it's recommended that you should go to a dedicated accountant. Now we know whether or not you are eligible to take the services of these free tax clinic or not. Let's see that where can I find a free tax clinic. Let me click on this link. You can see different options here. Remember to bring your tax slips and receipts. Obviously, without that, the volunteered person won't be able to help you properly, and they won't be able to file taxes on your behalf. Now, based on the different province you can select here, you can find a free tax clinic near to your area. Let me go and do a random search. I'll select my province, that is Ontario, and city I can select any. Maybe I'll go ahead and select Brampton. Now returns can be prepared for current year, last year, or prior years. I'll select the current year only option. Now, very important, if it's for your parents or someone for a particular language, I can select here the different language. Let me go ahead and select the language as Punjabi, because lot many Punjabi people stay in Brampton area. Let's see what are the options I get. So you can see these are the three free tax clinic which I can see here, and types are all by appointment. But that is why I was suggesting you to go and avail these services only by appointment. And they have different languages as well, like English, Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu. You can click on these. You can click on these links and find information like whom to contact, what is your phone number, or send them an email. I will again suggest you to send an email, like a brief description about yourself and the help you want. You can say that you are working for this company for this to this month and you need their help to file your taxes. And it says all the information like what are the hours the service is available, what are the language, like how many people will be there for volunteer, and what is the additional information. Based on the province or the city where you are, you'll be able to find different tax clinics as well. So this is going to really help you, but make sure you are eligible and the modest income and the simple tax situation. And second is that make sure you have all the important information required to file your tax, because if you don't have your tax slips or the T4 forms, you won't be able to file the tax at that particular time. So you might have to go again and book appointment and go through all the steps again.
Guys, there are few taxes which you can file as soon as you land here in Canada. So first tax is HST and GST, and the second tax is child care benefit. So for HST and GST taxes, that is something which you pay for each and every product which you buy here. So we have 13% of GST HST tax which is applicable to every single product you buy in Canada. So that is something which comes as a return. So you can file it as soon as you land here, and same as with the child care benefit. So the people who are coming here with their children, they can avail that childcare tax benefit.
So Gagan, tell me one thing. If someone is landing here with his or her family, including the children, like they have to wait for a set timeline like April 30th or somewhere to avail these child benefits?
No, you don't have to wait for filing the childcare benefit or HST GST tax. You can file it as soon as you land.
So Gagan, tell me, what are the forms we need to fill in order to avail the GST, HST and the child benefits?
So for the childcare benefit, you have to fill RC66 form, and for the HST GST credit, you have to fill RC151 form.
So Gagan, one question. Once you have availed the child benefits and the GST, HST, do you have to file it again the next year?
No, you don't have to apply for them the next year. However, you have to declare it in your income tax return every year. Guys, we'll talk about the mode of filing the taxes. So we can do it manually by using the paper form, or we can use the net file software in order to file the taxes.
And in market, you have various softwares available. One very famous is TurboTax, which is available there at Shoppers Drug Mart or various departmental stores. You can buy them and it'll help you to file the tax. So guys, here in Canada, once you have filled the tax and the GST, HST forms that you fill, you need to send it to your nearest taxation center. And these taxation centers are defined as per the province where you live. So right now in Ontario, the taxation center is in Sudbury. So guys, the GST, HST form which we have filled, we have sent to Sudbury address to avail the benefits. I'll put the link in the description below where you can find the taxation centers near to your place.
So guys, coming to what all information is needed in order to file your taxes. First of all, you need your SIN number. Then you need the date of entry. The date of entry will be the day on which you landed in Canada. And then you need all the income which you earned inside and outside Canada, which is called the net world income. So what is net world income? Net world income is, say you were in India or in your country from January to July, and you landed here in Canada in the month of August. So from January to July, you need an estimate of your income which you earned in your country, and then from July onwards, when you landed in Canada, from July to December, you have to consider that income. You have to club both the incomes and you have to declare it in order to file your taxes. And that has to be done for yourself and for your spouse.
And Gagan, do we need to mention our last year earnings as well in that form?
Yes, you have to declare last 3 years of earnings. So it should not be exact number, but you can just give an estimate of that income in Canadian dollars.
Once you have filed your income tax, if you are eligible for any of the refund, it is going to come directly into your bank account. So you need to enter the details of your account or the bank information in the income tax form as well.
Guys, this is a very good point which Gundeep mentioned, because through direct deposit, you get the money within 1 week, just because I got it within 1 week of filing my taxes.
So guys, it's very important to register with CRA online, because this is going to help you to get updates directly from them as compared to the mails or the letters which come from CRA, because it usually gets delayed. Now Gagan is going to tell us how do we register with CRA.
So guys, this procedure is very simple. You have to go to their website, then you have to just register your email ID, and you have to share some details related to your tax filing, and you have to share your address as well. Then you will get a security access code through mail, and you have to enter those details along with your email ID, and then you will be able to access the website. And guys, please make sure that you file your taxes before April 30th, because the government is very stringent and they are going to raise a penalty in case you fail to file your taxes on time.
If you are unemployed or you have no earnings, then also you need to file tax, because as per government guidelines, everyone need to file their taxes. So make sure you do that before April 30th.
Guys, if you have any questions or queries, please leave the comment in the comment box.
And thank you so much for watching this video, and please do like and subscribe our channel.
And share too. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
And see you in the next video.
Till then, take care and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.